Hello viewers, hope you are well. Today I would like to discuss with you a new topics, how to upload image into the database and how to display the image from the database into the item. But it is a little bit difficult to display an image from the database into the item. That's why I would like to share my knowledge with you how to upload it. And so viewers, let's start our practical session. Page from wizard, here use forms, here form name system, table name, here specify table name, here select primary key column, here employee id is primary key column, branch pages, page created. Now I am going to create two subregions and another for styling purpose, and another is for, and the second one is start new row to know. Transfer all this item into the item container region, and here create a new page item, rename it to display image, change the type to display image, and no need to label, and set its default value, type is static, and double quote only, image container. And we can change start new row, no, display, change it, created here custom attributes, hidden the header for both region, change the all items template uploading to optional, need to label. Now create a JavaScript function to display the uploaded image into the file. Here is the JavaScript function. We first check if there any image exists in the employee data table. There is no image. First to generate primary key, conditional. If empty item is null, which item? Choose an image, healthy heart, and create. Yes, row created. Let's check. Yes, so this is the image uploaded. Now we would like to add search feature in this page. That's why we can display image from the database from here. Now create a region here. New page item. New page. Made it select list. Query, right? The first column is for display and the last column for return value. Create another item for image source. Make it hidden. Here, add a dynamic action to display the data. Rename the dynamic action name. Edit conditional when item is not null. Which item? This item, ENT search. Now action is execute server side code. Right. Item to submit field to search MP, and the return value is employee ID, then first name as per return sequence. First name, last name, first name, then last name, then email, phone number, hire date, then job ID, then manager ID, then salary, and at last promotion city. but we not read the image source yet. We read the here the page item, which item upload the photo, and here this parameter is for the primary key, which image source. Yes, and return image source. Now here write a JavaScript function. Made it also conditional. Item is not null. Execute JavaScript code. First capture the ID or where we would like to display the image. Display image. Then item source, image source. Now ID. This attribute, source attribute equal to source. That's it. Here test image upload. Yes, image loaded. That's it for today. If found helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.